So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Honey extension on Google Chrome. This is a really handy extension and can save you a lot of money. So yeah, let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to go to joinhoney.com. And once you're here, click on Add to Chrome. And then click on Add to Chrome again. Click on Add Extension. This will add the extension. And this will take you over to this website, and this will sort of like give you a little demo on how it works and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you guys it anyways in a bit. So yeah, just finish everything, click on Go to Honey, and we'll end up on the same website once again. And once you're here, you will have a few different tabs. The stores is where we're at right now, and depending on your country, this will be different. So you can go to drop lists as well, and I'm not really sure what this does. Oh yeah, this is for Amazon. You can add prices on Amazon, or products, and if the price drops, it will be on this list, by the way, but you will get notified to get the best deal possible. And yeah, this is really handy. You also have Honey Gold, and you can redeem the Honey Gold if you have enough for gift cards, but you will need to have a lot of Honey Gold. And yeah, you can go to Refer and Earn, and right here you can make your own affiliate link, which can be pretty handy to let you earn more Honey Gold. But let's say let me show you guys the drop list. So we're going to Amazon. Let's go to Amazon real quick and select a product. For example, this one. What you can do is right here it says best deal. So what this means is this is the lowest price or best deal possible currently of this product. But if we go to a totally different product, most of the products where I looked at were a best deal. But if you, for example, don't see this, what you can do is go to Honey on the right, then click on Add to Drop List. And this will notify you when the price drops, as I just mentioned before. And this is just really handy. And and now I'm going to show you guys how the coupons work. Let's say you're at the checkout of your product, then this will pop up from Honey, and it says apply 3 coupons, and this will apply all the coupons available on automatically. So we're going to click on that right now. And as you can see, it is trying the coupons now. And depending on your country, there is a difference between how many coupon codes there are and how many work. Because as you can see, none of them have worked for me. But for example, on some websites like Amazon in your country, there might be like 29 coupon codes, and Honey will just check them out and apply them to your checkout. And excuse me for not working this time, but not every day all the coupon codes work, so that's why Honey tested it out for you. So when it doesn't work, you can just check out normally. When it works, you are lucky and you have a nice coupon code. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.